Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when you see the message you are following too fast on TikTok. So let's start. First, open your TikTok app. Now what I'll do is I'll just follow a bunch of people. I'll just tap on the plus icon on the right hand side. Now let's visit a profile. Now I'll go to the follower section and I'll continuously follow a bunch of people. And if you keep doing this for a couple of minutes, you will see a message that you are following too fast and you may be banned from following people for a couple of minutes. And technically, there is no way to fix this problem. But what you can do is you have to wait for a couple of minutes or even an hour until your temporary ban is cooled down. And that's the only way you can fix this problem. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.